Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your bamboo panettone. Before we get started, head over to my website meadowbrownbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. So I use my panettone without a cover. There are these liners that panettones come with, which I never use. So round ones or circle ones come with a cover that goes in the panettone like that. Some people proof their bread with the cover on, so I don't use it anyway. I just don't like to use it. I've never used it, but you can if you want to. But anyway, if you don't use your cover for the panettone and it stays like this after you've proofed your bread, I don't wash them. I just use a brush. You can use a toothbrush if you want to and scrape it off. You see how easily it comes out. This is for people who want to clean it. Otherwise, it's not necessary to clean this. You can bake your bread and then just leave this to air dry. Maybe just tip out a few bits of flour into a bin. And don't put it in the sink because you can clog up your sinks eventually. So if you want to, just scrape it out and then you shake the flour out into the bin. But I tend to leave it because each time I use it, and I bake very often, I will have to add a lot more flour than I need to. After you've done this, you can just tip the flour into a bin. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbrownbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.